sex and sexuality are from different hemispheres, depending on the predominance of the cerebral hemisphere. An individual will tend to homosexual or heterosexual. And if it is true that we can develop one hemisphere more than another, will this change our sexual orientation? According to James Olson, author of the book The Whole Brain Part to Space, there is a direct correlation between the dominance of the cerebral hemisphere and sexual orientation. It is clear that there are other influences on behavior and sexual attraction, from genetic and hormonal factors to environmental influences, and whether the brain plays a fundamental role in sexuality. The division of the brain into two different hemispheres leads to two different ways of approaching the world. The left hemisphere is more rational and logical. The most intuitive and holistic right hemisphere, but contributing to our way of understanding what surrounds us. General, the left hemisphere predominates in men, while the right predominates in women. But there are important exceptions, also say, particularly in gay people. My research suggests that in these people, the predominance of the cerebral hemisphere in the research of the of heterosexual of the same sex. Homosexual men, like heterosexual women, show a predominance of the right hemisphere, while is homosexual women, just as heterosexual men, the left hemisphere predominates. Obviously, there are different degrees of brain dominance in the same way there is a wide range in sexuality. What is interesting in this also argues in that when there is alteration in the predominance of the cerebral hemisphere, we experience a change in perspective at all life, and with this change in sexual orientation, regardless of the sex of the individual. Beyond the problem of sexual orientation, also both want to expatiate that the predominance of the cerebral hemisphere influences our beliefs in general, our way of perceiving the world, but the our political subject, our sexuality, or the way we face different social problems.